Interior work continues on the new St. Gall Church. Let's take a look inside at the new parish offices. Since the last video, ductwork for the HVAC system has been installed. Additionally, drywall installation has been finished and painting will begin shortly. This is the view from the parish office entry door. As we turn to the right, guests will enter the reception area and be greeted by the Director of Communications. Continuing down this hallway, you will find the offices for the business manager, deacon, director of liturgy, and the director of evangelization. The pastor's office is located down this short hallway. The closets along this wall are where the altar server's robes will be kept. The offices down this hallway are for the youth ministry and faith formation programs. Father will prepare for Mass in his new vesting sacristy. This space will give Father privacy while preparing for Mass. As we continue down the hallway to the gathering area, there are two classrooms that double as a conference room and a bride's room. As we reach the gathering area, you can see that the concrete floor has been poured, and the metal racks for the movable partition walls are being installed. The metal stud wall that separates the gathering area and the nave is taking shape. The large opening over the doorway is where the Jesus the Good Shepherd window will be installed. Workers will begin framing this window shortly. Drywall installation still needs to be completed for the warming kitchen. Here is a look into the storage room next to the warming kitchen. The windows against the wall are the exterior windows for the church. These windows will protect the newly restored stained glass windows. Here you can see the wall mounts where the Stations of the Cross will be located. Ductwork for the heating and ventilation system has begun in the nave of the church. The bema platform or altar is finished, along with the concrete work for the font. Let's take a first look at the space behind the altar. This is the new reconciliation room. This room is located behind the font, and this is the location of the Agony in the Garden window. Directly behind the altar will be the working sacristy and the liturgical and music storage areas. Here is the wheelchair accessible ramp to gain access to the altar. It is hard to believe that by the end of the spring, we will be celebrating Mass in the new church. Watch for upcoming videos that will describe how the old stained glass windows will be reused and the carving of the new cross for the crucifix. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Flocknotes, and YouTube for more updates.